Ballistics question, nowadays you get more questions on ballistics. Interesting topic. A gunshot bullet wound showing tattooing, inverted margin, no signs of burns or charring. You have got so many keywords, you need to find out the range. The language of the question may not be exactly the same which you got in exam, don't worry about it, but the keywords are straightforward. Tattooing is seen, inverted margin, no signs of burning or charring. What is the range? It is very simple, friends. It is a case of near range. We have discussed this earlier, it's a case of near range. We will just try to identify it. We will try to deduce the answer from this keywords. Now, before that, you need to find out what are the ranges which you can get in rifle gun. Okay, see, we have got 4 ranges as we have discussed earlier. We have got 4 ranges. One is contact range, another one is close range, near range and distant range. What do you mean by contact? You take the gun, you keep it in tight contact with the skin. When you keep it in tight contact with the skin, that is called contact shot. Okay, what is close shot? Close shot is one within the range of flame. Remember this, friends, within the range of flame. When it is outside the range of flame but within the range of gunpowder, that is called near shot. And remember, distant shot is one that is outside the range of gunpowder. Outside the range of gunpowder. Okay. Now let us see what are the findings which you can see in each range. Okay. Coming to the contact shot. Let us say contact shot. When you keep it in tight contact with the skin, it is usually stellate or cruciate. And since you are keeping in tight contact with the skin, you will also see muzzle impression. The gun muzzle impression will be seen in the entry wound. And remember, friends, there is burning, there is blackening, there is tattooing. All this is seen not outside the wound. Since you are keeping in tight contact with the skin, all these changes can be seen inside the track of the wound if it is contact shot. Close shot, I told you it is within the range of flame, so you will see the burning effect of flame. Okay, you will also see the effect of smoke, that is blackening. You will also see the effect of that gunpowder, tattooing will also be seen. So if you see all these findings, burning, blackening and tattooing, definitely it should be a close range. Now coming to the near range. Near range, I told you it is outside the flame but within the gunpowder range, so it should be having tattooing. Yes, it should be having tattooing, but other things will not be seen. It is near range, which have been asked in the exam. And distance shot is one, there is no muscle impression, there is no burning, there is no blackening, there is not even your tattooing, no tattooing, because it is outside the gunpowder, that is distant range. And remember, in all these ranges, whether it is contact shot, close shot, near shot, distant shot, you will have the punctured wound, that is bullet wound would be there. When you have bullet wound, whenever you have this bullet wound, you will have abrasion collar, grease collar. So you can see the presence of abrasion collar and grease collar in close range, near range, distant range. So don't worry about that. Never forget about this abrasion collar, grease collar. Focus on only this burning, blackening and tattooing. Fine. No burning, only tattooing is seen. Remember, it is a near shot as we have discussed earlier. So the answer for this particular question should be near range. Quite simple, right?